My name is Barry Allen, and I am the fastest man.
Be concerned.
Dads?
You got a problem with that?
No. I love musicals. So,
You're fast.
did you guys not tell him about me?
Well, seeing is believing. Or drooling.
I've never even mentioned his name.
That's because Hartley had a challenging personality.
What she means is he was mostly a jerk, but every once in a while, he could be a dick.
Watching over your city like a guardian angel, making a difference, saving people in a flash.
What should we call this brave new world that you've whipped up for us? I was thinking Flashpoint.
So you don't want this?
Never forget, I am the fastest man alive.
Forgive me, but to me, you've been dead for centuries.
My name is Barry Allen, and I am the fastest man alive. To the outside world, I'm an ordinary forensic scientist, but secretly, with the help of my friends...
Flash at all. Some would say I'm the reverse.
Dr. Wells, evacuate. Get out of there now. Dr. Wells.
But you, Barry, you can stop it. You can do this now. Run, Barry, run!